Okay, today we have a 1 horsepower Danfoss condensing unit. The part number is 114N2089, and that's the part number of the entire assembly. That includes the condensing coil and the compressor itself. The compressor part number is MX18TGA. That's this assembly. Yeah, only this assembly. Okay, so we received these as a return unit. The customer complained the unit that was installed on wasn't cooling. It's a 6x6 cooler. So today we're gonna test if we have an open resistance between the terminals. We have normally in these terminals we have this common, the run, and start terminal right here. So we got our ohmmeter set up. It's ready to go. Let me focus on this real quick. Okay, so our ohmmeter is set up. We're gonna test the resistance between common and run. There you go. So the resistance between common and run is OL, is an open line. And now common and start. We have a resistance of 4.6. And now start and run. It's also open line. Now we're gonna test this compressor if it's grounded. Here we go. We got touch one of the terminals here, common, and one of these part of this copper line. If we pick up any resistance, which we do, this is also grounded. We're reading a resistance of 2 point, or it's changing. It's grounded common. Now we're gonna test the start terminal. It's also grounded. And the run is open. So we have an open between common and run, start and run, and grounded terminals, the common and the start. All right, that's the problem with this condensing unit. That's why it wasn't operating correctly in the field. So that's it.